Outdoor living spaces are an extension of the home. If you live in an area with great seasons like North Carolina, you likely find yourself spending lots of time outside. Luckily, there are a handful of options that enable you to enjoy a game or a great movie while you man the grill or host a party in your backyard. The most important thing in outdoor TVs is reliability, since they will have to withstand the elements over time. The two top brands we have found in terms of reliability right now in weather-resistant TVs are Seura and Sunbrite. Both Seura and Sunbrite have been around for a long time and have led the industry in terms of sealing the core parts of the TV from rain, pollen, etc. These TVs have to protect the front panel as well as the entire connection area while still enabling heat dissipation. Seura is positioned as the ultimate luxury outdoor television brand in terms of aesthetics and features, while Sunbrite is generally slightly less expensive for similar sized televisions. Both brands offer 3 different options to choose from based upon whether the television will be completely protected from direct sunlight, partially exposed to the sun, or fully exposed out in the open. In general, the more direct sunlight on the television, the higher the brightness and anti-glare design of the TV. Both brands offer 4K TVs and integrate well into the top smart home systems. We are often asked about the cost of purchasing a dedicated outdoor television versus using an old plasma or LED TV outside. If you're considering putting your old plasma outside, don't. It can't survive the cold weather. However, if budget is an issue, you can save money by putting an LED TV outside. It will need to be undercover and will eventually break. So view this as a short-term investment that might last 1 year or it might last a few years. We've seen both. The biggest thing to think about when installing an outdoor television is how you will hear the television. Outdoor environments have much more ambient sound, whether from wind, neighbors, a golf course, or a pool. Most outdoor televisions are installed in combination with a very good soundbar or high-quality outdoor speakers. To learn more, check out our review comparing outdoor speaker options. Finally, you need to be really smart about how you wire and mount outdoor TVs. Top integrators know how to run the wires to minimize interference and create the best weather-resistant seal. Further, depending on the height of the TV, you may want to have a tilt mount that angles it down. While outdoor electronics are inherently challenging, we found that customers love having access to their televisions and music outside. Today we recommend either Seura or Sunbrite, depending on the exact situation and what matches the aesthetics and performance needs of the client. If you live in North Carolina, feel free to stop by either our Charlotte or our Raleigh store and we'd love to help you out. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.